So hi guys, we're next to our next product. So this one is the Givenchy, which is the Pandora small size. And let's check out when it's firm. It's my first time seeing this personally, and I think it's really nice, and also it's very Hollywoody vibe, you know what I mean? And let's try to try it in person. So I'm just gonna bring back everything to normal later. Let's check it out. This one is in color black, goat skin as well. Let's try to pull it out and see how does it looks like. One word. So as you can see, this bag is quite unique. So you could wear it just like this. Give me a couple of minutes. Let's just see how. And the clamps are really fancy and very big, which is really secure. So right over here, you will be able to see where you should clamp it. So let's put that in. The other one as well. So the strap is not adjustable, unfortunately. So the way you wear it is just like this. You could either keep this inside or put it there. It's so nice, and the good thing about this bag is that you will not be able to the ones that you have inside, the things that you have inside would be very secured in here, and it will give you really a lot of space inside. And also, you could just bring it like this with you. Like, it has a very unique style, this Pandora. You see? It's really unique. And also, when you wear it, it gives you this very classy look on you. So yeah, so that's our review for this Pandora Givenchy. And I hope you like it and give you a little idea of what and how does it looks like when worn. So this one I would give it or rate it 9. It's really nice and cool. It gives you a very different look. And it's a very unique bag, rather than when you wear it, people would just recognize, it's Givenchy Pandora, because they're the only ones that made this style that's known. So yeah, so it's one of have to bag as well. So yeah, so here you go. And this one is small size. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I hope it really did help you on your next purchase. So this one, Givenchy, is off to my sister. So there you go. Hope you like it, everyone. Bye.